Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Sharo. Today I'm going to Safari, have some work. So we are on the way to Safari. All the safaris here only they will keep waiting, so you can see all the safaris. So now you are seeing that Mary Brown piece on the other side. So we are nearing our safari. This is the NCS or company one of safari. This is City City. So we finally came safari. Check inside. So now we are starting our works. So we are doing that one. It's already getting very late. Night effect of safari. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching guys.